Hello my friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about another simple but amazing Danish called Cruffin, a croissant muffin with raspberries. So, no need to wait, let's go to the video. This is Sarcastic Baker and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go!
Okay guys, this is Sarcastic Baker, and today's video about Cruffin. So while you're watching, I'll explain about this Danish. Today, I'm going to make it upside down. Then we can have a nice tart-shaped Danish. And if you bake same side, you can get muffin-shaped croissant. Trust me, side doesn't matter. This is awesome, guys. Normally, the measurements are 10 centimeters long and 3 centimeters width. Again, the thickness should be 1.5 meter. After shaping done, we need to keep some time in your chiller or outside to give a rest for the dough, approximately 15 to 20 minutes enough. If you keep outside direct, you can put into the prover. If you rest in the chiller, you need to thaw it until it's get room temperature. Then prove time. Meantime, we need to make our raspberry almond cream. For this one, we need to mix almond cream, instant pastry cream powder, and raspberry compote together, and I pipe it into this mold. Then we need to blast freeze. It's easy to handle then. Okay, after, prove we need to press our almond raspberry cream into the Cruffin. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful, right? This is how we press our frozen raspberry almond cream to the proved Cruffin. Next, we're going to bake our Cruffin. As soon as you take out from the oven, need to glaze with thick sugar syrup for the shiny surface. Now we're almost done. Next, we need garnish our end product. It's up to you. I garnished this with raspberry gel and fresh raspberries. Let's enjoy. This is a simple Danish, but simple things are more complicated than you think. See you in another video on next week. Bye-bye. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.